Hello Aquarius, welcome again to another tarot reading video for you. For today, let's do a September update. Tingnan natin kung ano ang possible na paparating and advice for you this month of September. But before we proceed, I would like to say thank you so much sa lahat ng mga bagong followers, subscribers, mga nag-iiwan ng kanilang energies sa pamamagitan ng pag-comment, like, subscribe sa ating mga social media accounts at sa video na ito. Thank you so much. Kung gusto niyo naman ng private sessions with me, you can book a reading sa mga social media na makikita nyo sa description ng video na to. And again, this is for your Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and Saturn placements. But if you have Aquarius energy, marami kang Aquarius energy sa yung natal chart / birth chart, pwede ang video na to ay para sa'yo. Gamitin na guide ang makukuha or mararesonate mong energy, and iiwan naman para sa iba kung hindi. Thank you so much! Tingnan natin kung anong energy for your September Aquarius. We got 9 of Cups. Nine of Cups. Tumatalsik ang mga cards mo. King of Wands. 4 of Cups. The Chariot. I heard mabilis na pag-usad. 9 of Wands. Okay, ang energy na nakikita ko for Aquarius, may mabilis kang pag-usad from nafe-feel mong nai-ignore ka or naiisan tabi ka. Yung bang parang walang nakikinig or hindi ka nakikita, invisible ka. Whether this is sa business mo, sa career mo, sa kung anumang aspeto ng buhay mo ito, mo nararamdaman yun. Right now, so for the month of September, you will feel more na seen, mas heard ka na, and I can also see mas magde-demand ka ng help, ng attention, especially related sa iyong emotions. This is from a lover, from a friend, or a family. You will also, I heard, spill the beans. Pwedeng meron kang isi-share na balita, secrets this September. And for your posibleng guidance, blessings, or posibleng paparating for you, Aquarius, the Strength card, 2 of Swords, the Emperor. The Emperor, I can also see the Emperor as someone na nagde-demand ng attention, someone na nagde-demand ng authority, ng leadership, ng oras. Ikaw to. Nasa Emperor energy ka. Although this is Aries energy or a fire sign energy, mas magkakaroon ka na ng charge in energy. You will take charge more, especially related sa iyong emotions. Mas magiging open and expressive ka na when it comes to that. Kung naramdaman mo from the past months na behind, left out, or there's a hole when it comes to your emotions, this September mas makakaramdam ka ng validity when it comes to that. And there's also a movement when it comes to your pinaghihirapan, especially dun sa pinagbubuhusan mo ng pagod, ng puyat, ng creativity. I can see that here. Death card. And Ace of Wands. Okay. Ang possible blessings or preparations na darating this September, ayun na, mas magiging balanse ka na, mas mag-take lead ka. May mga bagong opportunities dito for you, Aquarius. There's also an ending of cycle here, especially related sa family. So if you feel like you carry so much responsibilities sa iyong family, whether this is blood or not blood related, basta yung naramdaman mong parang ikaw nagkikarry. This could also be ma-relate sa friends, sa lovers. Ayun, you might feel that urge to really release that, not necessarily makipaghiwalay or tapusin or ikat, although it could be, but I can see this energy as minsan kasi pag nasabi mo na yung naramdaman mo or nararamdaman mo or naglalaro sa utak mo at sa puso mo, mas magkakaroon ka na ng clear or clarity kung ano ang nais or gusto mong gawin when it comes to that idea, creativity, or partnership. There's and kung saan doon papasok yung new beginning, ayun, reconciliation. Kaya mahalaga ang pag-uusap dito. Although speaking of pag-uusap, medyo may nakikita ko imbalance dito. You might feel the urge to say something related to those things, pero maging ano ka din, open ka din, and receptive when it comes to those matter. Pakinggan mo sila, pakinggan mo yung sarili mo, magkaroon kayo ng relatable and similarities doon sa sitwasyon para mas maintindihan nyo yun. And what else? There could also be a literal death here. Mag-ingat when it comes to like traveling, especially kung ikaw ay very impulsive naman. The Wheel of Fortune, 9 of Swords, 8 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups, and 4 of Wands. Okay. For some of you here, just be clear kung ano yung gusto mong maging outcome sa isang partnership, lalo na kung ikaw ay in a relationship, committed na nakikinig ngayon sa video na to, Aquarius. And for others of you, kahit na ang daming blessings na nangyayari sa'yo, medyo nagkakaroon ka pa rin ng anxiety. What if kulang? What if hindi sapat? Make sure you have that energy to take a step back and tingnan mo kung ano yung mga accomplishments mo rather doon sa mga bagay na maa-achieve mo pa lang or ginagawan mo ng paraan para ma-achieve. Para magkaroon ng union here, make sure talaga na there is a room for improvement and communication. For some of you, after heartache or separation from a person na controlling sa'yo, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng another person, new person na magbibigay ng harmony, not only sa'yo but to the people around you. And this is your reading, Aquarius. Kung naka-resonate ka, don't forget to leave your energies by commenting, subscribing, and liking our videos. Kung hindi naman, ibigay sa iba. And see you on your next video. Thank you!